Data Manipulation Language (DML). Data Manipulation Language or DML is basically used to add, update, or delete data in a database. The four frequently used DML commands in SQL are select, insert, update, delete. Let's start with insert command. Whenever you want to add data into the table in a database, we make use of insert command. The syntax is insert into table name. Then inside the bracket, we will write the column names, values. Then inside the bracket, we will write the values matching to those columns. Right now the contributor details table is empty. Let's fill in a few data inside the table using insert command. Write the column name. Fill the data inside the bracket. Since name is a string, write it inside single quote. The data is inserted correctly. You can also insert multiple data in a single query. This way. Next is select. Whenever we want to fetch certain data from the table, we make use of select command. The syntax is very simple. Select column names from table. If you want to select all the columns, then we will write select star from table name. To see the data inside a table, we make use of select command. The table name. If you want to see only specific column, mention it separately. This way. To select multiple column, separate it using comma. You can also concate this command with var and extract specific person's data. Update. There are many use cases when we want to modify the data in the table. At that time, we make use of update command. The syntax will be update table name set column names equals to the new value with which we want to replace the old value, where condition. Suppose we want to update track of contributor with ID 2, then we can do that easily using update command. We will write update table name set column name. Let's set it to DSA and write the condition inside where and end the statement with semicolon. So update contributor details set track equals to DSA where ID equals to 2. Let's see whether it's reflected or not. We can also update various columns in a single command. For that, we will be writing, let's change name and year together. We can update this year of all the contributors to 2019 using a single command. Let's write update table name and inside the condition we can write as the track is same for all the contributors. Write it inside single quote since it's a string. You can see year for all the contributors is set to 2019 now. Delete command. In order to delete the existing data in the table, we make use of delete command. Delete from table name var condition. Using delete command, we can delete all the data in a table without actually affecting the structure of the table. If we want to delete the contributor with ID 2, we can make use of delete command. The syntax is delete from table name where you can write ID, name, track, whatever. For a change, let's make use of name column. You can see contributor with ID 2 is deleted. We can also delete all the data from contributor details table without actually deleting the table. For that, you should write delete from table name. You can see all the data is deleted. But the table is not actually affected at all.